Life does not always go the way we want. Many things happen without asking us. Some things change suddenly. Some things stay the same for a long time. Many people feel sad or angry because of this. They try to fight life. They try to control everything. But not everything can change. Learning to accept what you cannot change is an important part of life. Many people think accepting means giving up. They think accepting means being weak. But this is not true. Accepting is not stopping. Accepting is understanding. It means you see the truth of life. It means you stop fighting what cannot move. When you stop fighting, your heart can rest. Some things in life are out of our control. We cannot change the past. We cannot change other people. We cannot change some events. We may feel pain because of these things. We may wish they were different. But wishing does not change them. It only makes us tired. Think about the past. Many people think about past mistakes every day. They think, I should do better. They think, why did this happen? The past cannot answer. The past cannot change. When we stay in the past, we lose the present. Accepting the past does not mean liking it. It means letting it be. People also try to change other people. They want others to think the same way. They want others to act differently. When people do not change, they feel angry. But other people have their own minds. They have their own lives. Accepting others as they are brings peace. Fighting others brings pain. Sometimes life gives us limits. Our body gets tired. Our health changes. Our energy is not the same every day. Many people feel sad about this. They think they are weak. But the body speaks for a reason. Accepting limits helps us care for ourselves. Weather is a simple example. We cannot control rain. We cannot control heat. When it rains, we can get angry. Or we can take an umbrella. The rain does not stop because we are angry. Accepting does not mean liking the rain. It means choosing peace. Life problems are similar. Some problems do not leave quickly. Some stay for a long time. When we fight them every day, we lose energy. When we accept them, we can find new ways to live with them. Acceptance gives space to breathe. Many people feel afraid when they accept something. They think, if I accept this, nothing will change. But the truth is different. When you accept, you stop wasting energy. You can use that energy to change what can change. For example, you cannot change a hard situation, but you can change how you respond. You cannot change other people, but you can change your actions. You cannot change yesterday, but you can choose today. Accepting brings calm. Calm helps you think clearly. When your mind is calm, you see more options. When you are angry, your mind is closed. Acceptance opens the mind. Pain is part of life. Everyone feels pain. Some pain stays longer. Some pain comes and goes. Fighting pain often makes it stronger. Accepting pain does not mean loving it. It means allowing it to exist without judging yourself. Many people think they must always be happy. When they feel sad, they feel wrong. But sadness is a normal feeling. Accepting sadness helps it pass. When you push sadness away, it stays longer. Life has ups and downs. We cannot choose only UPS. Accepting downs helps us move forward. Every hard time teaches something. But the lesson comes only when we stop fighting. Sometimes we ask, why me? This question often has no answer. It only creates more pain. A better question is, what can I do now? Acceptance helps us ask better questions. Accepting does not mean doing nothing. It means choosing your battles. It means knowing where to use your strength. When you stop fighting the wind, you can walk better. Think about a river. The river does not fight the rocks. It flows around them. Because of this, the river keeps moving. Acceptance is like water. It finds a way. Many people feel tired because they try to control everything. They plan too much. They worry too much. When something changes, they feel afraid. Accepting uncertainty helps the heart feel lighter. The future is unknown. No one knows what will happen tomorrow. Fighting this truth creates fear. Accepting it creates freedom. You learn to live today, not tomorrow. Sometimes accepting means letting go of dreams that no longer fit. This can be painful, but holding on to something that hurts is more painful. Letting go opens space for new things. Accepting yourself is also important. You have strengths. You have weaknesses. You have good days and bad days. Accepting yourself does not mean staying the same forever. It means being kind while you grow. Many people are very hard on themselves. They blame themselves for everything. This creates heavy feelings. Acceptance creates softness. Softness creates healing. When you accept, you stop asking life to be perfect. You start working with life as it is. This brings balance. This brings peace. Some days, acceptance is easy. Some days it is very hard. That is okay. Acceptance is a process. It takes time. You learn it step by step. Even small acceptance helps. Accepting one small thing today can change how you feel. Small peace is still peace. One day, you may look back and see how much energy you saved. You may see how acceptance helped you survive hard times. You may feel proud of yourself. Life is not about control. Life is about understanding. When you accept what you cannot change, you become stronger inside. Acceptance does not remove problems, but it changes your relationship with them. This change is powerful. So when life feels heavy, pause. Ask yourself what you can accept today. This small step can bring light. Accepting what you cannot change is not the end of the road. It is the start of peace.